Your first step is to inspect and test the filter, creating a benchmark prior to the cleaning process. This includes a back pressure test, light inspection, and pen test to help identify potential issues inside the filter structure. Next, we place a contaminated filter inside our soak tank with the inlet side facing up. The pre-soak process cleans the face of the filter and begins to loosen the soot and ash captured inside the cell structure. Now it's time to place the filter inside the wash cabinet to perform a clean soak. Notice that the filter is resting on a rubber mat that creates a seal with the filter flange. We then add fresh surfactant to the face of the filter and use the flush gun to fill the substrate with clean, treated water. Our patented XY system with crosshairs makes filter placement quick and easy. Centering the filter ensures the sidewall will be clean, which is typically the most contaminated portion of the filter. Once the filter is in place, it's time to start the computer-guided aqueous cleaning process. Simply close the doors, select the filter diameter, and press start. Our low-pressure, high-volume stream consists of treated water and proprietary surfactant that will flow roughly 600 gallons of water through the filter during the cleaning process. Our low-pressure, high-volume system allows the water to maneuver around corners in the cell wall structure, unlike air. Every filter runs a total of 2 complete cycles, with each cycle consisting of 2 phases. The first phase is a fast clean, while the second is a slow clean, all computer-guided. Prior to removing the filter from the cabinet, blow out excess water and inspect the filter surfaces. Now it's time to place the clean filter inlet side up inside the drying cabinet. Using the manual crank, you will want to adjust the platform and create a tight seal on the inlet side. Pressing the start button, you will notice a timer as well as a temperature reading for the inlet and outlet sides of the filter. Temperatures will continue to rise, with the inlet target temperature being 215 degrees Fahrenheit and the outlet target temperature being 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to test the clean filter and compare the numbers to the benchmark numbers taken prior to the cleaning process. You will then want to perform final preparation of the filter, which includes removing old gasket material and cleaning the canister of the filter.